Hello YouTube. I've been asked by a lot of people if they could have their very own brander customized and done for their entire team, kind of like a brander system that they then own, and then they can set up for their company or whatever company they're working with. Now, if you notice here on my page, many people have seen I have created a number of different branders recently for different companies, and people have asked me recently. They love the brander system, the style, the simplicity of it, and they were asking if there's a way that they can actually get that set up for them for their own company. In other words, their own brander. And I thought about it, and I've decided to set it up on my own Network Solutions Pro system. So for paid members, you're going to be able to have a way to actually create and build your very own team brander system for your entire team. You decide what company this team brander system is promoting, and then your team will come in and use that brander. Okay, for those of you who don't know what this brander is, let me just pick a brander and just show you what's involved. So basically the brander system, they all work in the same kind of fashion. You get a video here showing what it is, and they get to click and join the company. But the powerful thing about this is your teammates, the people in your team or your downline for the company you're working with, get to put in their username for the company. They click customize, and all these pages here immediately get branded to you. Okay, and that's how these systems work. So I got a number of different branders for different companies. They fill in the form, and everything immediately brands. So it's a full-blown team system, but I call it a front-end brander because nobody needs to actually log in to use your brander. Okay, which is powerful because the whole thing gets it really converts so quickly. So we got branders for different companies, and I've got other branders that I'm not showing here because they're private, and I'm working for different companies, even in different languages as well. I'm doing. So it's a very simple system, but it helps the person who actually owns this system. It makes the whole team go viral, basically. So it's as I say, it's one-click brander, click customize, and everything gets branded to you. So Network Solutions Pro is my system with who I'm working with, Cliff Woodage. We are co-founders of Network Solutions Pro, and what I've put in there now is a system that's about to be launched that will allow you to build your very own company. Okay, so the settings page is going to look like this. You basically log in, you upgrade to the $10 a month, you get a whole bunch of tools, marketing tools. But one of the tools that's about to be launched, and we're launching a lot of tools all related to sort of branding you, but this particular tool is a team brander. Okay, it says Network Solutions Pro brander system setup. You watch the video, you step 2 brander page setup, you choose what company you want to promote, okay, for your team. So for example, if I put in skinny body care as an example, click save, and then I put in the URL for this. Let me just so we're here. You put in the URL of the company you're promoting. It could be any kind of URL. It could be a subdomain style where the username is at the front, or it could be a sort of a subdirectory style where the username or affiliate username is at the back. Okay, I don't know what company you're promoting, so I've made it. I've created a very intuitive way to kind of set this up. So normally, wherever you have your join link for your company, and within that link, obviously you have a username. Okay, so you just go to the point in the URL where your username exists. Okay, and then you replace that with this tag here. Okay, so you just copy the tag. It's a very easy step, and you just paste where the username would normally be for the URL, and you just paste in the tag in there. Okay, and then click save. And then what you need to do is you need to put your default username for the company you're promoting. In this case, I'm just going to put that in there because, and the reason for that is because since you are the kind of the admin of this entire Brander system that you're setting up here for your entire team, if some error happens, like, you know, the team member didn't, you know, went to the main page, or for example, the username wasn't added or whatever, or maybe someone sent out the link but they forgot to put in their username or whatever, at least, you know, the leads are not lost, and at least there are no errors. But obviously, as long as people send out their links correctly, and it'll be so easy for them to do so, there aren't going to be any errors. But if all else fails, you know, you're the one who's going to be branded by default. Okay, and then you need to put in a Facebook group URL, an entire group URL. So I'm not going to bother going to find that for now for this example. Just so now, you know, after those 4 fields are set up, you just go to your Brander page and it's complete. So all the tags and the labels get updated to the company name that you're promoting. The join link was changed successfully. The Facebook URL is changed, and all you do is you just share this out to your team. They go in and brand the page. For example, they put in their username, for example, Dave, and then click customize. So immediately all the pages here get customized to the member in your team. They don't have to be a member of Network Solutions Pro. They don't have to be a member of your team yet, but they need to be. They need to at least have joined your company of whatever you're promoting in order to actually use and brand this page which you have created. Okay, so then they go to the page that they've branded, and they share that link out. So the link, you won't be able to see the link because I'm purposely hiding it because I haven't launched the system yet. But these pages are branded to you, and it's got the person whose username who's branded it to them, and they'll be able to click that. But obviously it redirects to the company admin because for that example I just branded it with Dave, and that they don't exist in the company. So that was just an example. But anyway, as you can see that this just simply works for any company. So people were asking me, how can I use a system like this? How can I set one up? Is there a way I can create one for myself, for my own company, for my entire team? And yes, now there is a way, but we haven't launched it yet. We're going to launch probably tomorrow, so stay tuned, and at least get a free account by clicking the link below, just to get a free account in Network Solutions Pro. And then if you want to create your own system, you need to upgrade to the $10 a month. You'll be able to get access to a lot of other tools such as drag and drop funnel creator to build pages, have your own custom autoresponder, communication tools, and a number of other instant video page setup creation funnels and so on. But including all that, you'll get this as well. So this is coming by tomorrow, and a number of other new systems are coming down the road as well. So I'm always bringing out new great tools. So hope you like this. Get on the link below. Make sure that you upgrade before tomorrow so you can get access to this system, and then you can immediately create your very own brander for your entire team, your entire front-end one-click instant team brander system that is customized to your company of your choice for your entire team. Okay, anyway, thanks for watching, and see you in the next training. Bye for now.